the Las Vegas Strip. A dazzling spectacle of lights, sounds, and energy. This iconic stretch of Las Vegas Boulevard South is a testament to extravagance and entertainment. Walking the Strip at night is an experience unlike any other, with each step revealing a new wonder. From the iconic fountains of the Bellagio to the architectural marvels of the Venetian in Paris, the Strip is a feast for the senses. The energy is palpable, with throngs of people from all walks of life caught up in the excitement. Whether you're a seasoned visitor or a first-timer, the Las Vegas Strip promises a night of unforgettable experiences. No visit to the Las Vegas Strip is complete without witnessing the mesmerizing Bellagio fountains. Set against the backdrop of the elegant Bellagio Hotel, this aquatic masterpiece is a symphony of water, light, and music. As the sun sets, the fountains erupt in a carefully choreographed dance. Jets of water soar skyward, swaying and swirling in perfect harmony with the music. The spectacle is captivating, drawing crowds who marvel at the precision and artistry of the display. Inside the Bellagio, the opulence continues. The conservatory and botanical garden transports visitors to a world of vibrant flora and intricate displays. From towering sculptures adorned with flowers to whimsical themes that change with the seasons, the Bellagio's interior is a testament to elegance and grandeur. A short stroll down the Strip leads to another iconic destination, the Venetian Resort. Inspired by the canals and architecture of Venice, Italy, this sprawling complex offers a taste of Europe in the heart of the Nevada desert. Gondolas glide along canals, serenading passengers with traditional Italian songs. The intricate facades of the buildings, complete with bridges and balconies, transport visitors to the heart of Venice. The Venetian offers an escape from the desert heat and a chance to wander through a romantic recreation of one of Italy's most charming cities. A world of entertainment, the Sphere. A recent addition to the Strip skyline, the MSG Sphere at the Venetian is a technological marvel and entertainment destination. This massive sphere-shaped structure captivates visitors with its innovative LED exterior, displaying a mesmerizing array of visuals. From abstract patterns to stunning depictions of Earth and beyond, the Sphere's exterior transforms into a dynamic canvas. It's a testament to the power of technology and its ability to create immersive experiences. Inside, the Sphere houses a state-of-the-art entertainment venue, promising groundbreaking shows and immersive experiences. Thrills and entertainment at the LINQ. For a mix of thrills, entertainment, and dining, the LINQ Promenade is a must-visit. This open-air complex offers something for everyone, from the world-famous high roller observation wheel to a diverse selection of shops and restaurants. The high roller, one of the world's tallest observation wheels, offers breathtaking views of the Strip and the surrounding desert. As you ascend in one of the spacious cabins, you'll be treated to panoramic vistas of the city's glittering lights. Back on the ground, the LINQ Promenade offers a vibrant atmosphere with live music, street performers, and a lively mix of people. It's a great place to grab a bite to eat, enjoy a drink, and soak up the energy of the Strip. An unforgettable night on the Strip. As the night progresses, the Las Vegas Strip continues to pulsate with energy. The crowds swell, the music intensifies, and the lights seem to shine even brighter. From the iconic fountains of the Bellagio to the immersive experiences of the Sphere, the Strip offers a sensory overload that is both exhilarating and unforgettable. Whether you're trying your luck at the casinos, enjoying a world-class show, or simply soaking up the atmosphere, a night on the Las Vegas Strip is an experience unlike any other. It's a celebration of extravagance, entertainment, and the thrill of the unknown. So put on your walking shoes, embrace the energy, and prepare to be amazed by the dazzling spectacle that is the Las Vegas Strip. The heartbeat of the night. As you continue your journey down the Las Vegas Strip, the city reveals even more of its vibrant nightlife. The lights are brighter, the sounds are louder, and the energy is palpable. The streets are alive with a diverse tapestry of people, each contributing to the electric atmosphere. From tourists to locals, everyone is here to experience the magic of the night. Street performers captivate passers-by with their talents, from mesmerizing fire dancers who light up the night with their fiery displays to soulful musicians, adding an unexpected touch of magic to your evening stroll. Their melodies create a soundtrack for your adventure. Iconic landmarks like the Eiffel Tower at Paris, Las Vegas stand tall, their lights painting the night sky with a romantic glow. The Luxor Pyramid with its powerful beam of light pierces the darkness, guiding you through the night. The high roller, the world's tallest observation wheel, offers breathtaking views of the city's illuminated splendor. Couples walk hand in hand, friends laugh together, and solo adventurers find themselves lost in the wonder of it all. The Strip is a place where connections are made, and memories are forged. The energy is palpable yet balanced by moments of serenity. Amidst the hustle and bustle, you can find pockets of calm. In quieter corners, you find cozy cafes where you can sit and watch the world go by, and chic lounges where you can pause and soak in the ambiance. These spots offer a respite from the excitement, allowing you to recharge. The contrast between the hustle and the calm creates a perfect harmony, making your night on the Strip truly unforgettable. It's a delicate balance that makes Las Vegas unique. Whether you're dancing at a rooftop bar, feeling the beat of the music under the stars, marveling at a street magician who leaves you in awe with their tricks, or simply people watching, the Las Vegas Strip at night is a living, breathing entity. Every corner holds a new surprise, every moment a new story. It's a place where dreams come alive and every moment is filled with possibilities. The night is yours to explore, to discover, to enjoy. Embrace the heartbeat of the night and let the magic of Las Vegas sweep you off your feet. The adventure is endless, the experience is unforgettable. The neon lights create a dazzling display, a symphony of colors that dance across the buildings. Street artists add to the vibrancy, their creative expressions capturing the essence of the city. Food trucks line the streets, offering culinary delights that tantalize your taste buds. From gourmet dishes to classic street food, there's something for every palate. Nightclubs pulse with energy, the party scene in full swing, the music, the lights, the crowd. It's an experience like no other. Inside the casinos, the excitement is palpable. The sound of slot machines, the cheers at the gaming tables, it's a world of its own. The fountain shows are a spectacle, water dancing in perfect harmony with music and lights. The Bellagio fountains are a must-see, their beauty captivating. For a different perspective, take a helicopter tour and see the Strip from above. The city lights stretch out before you, a breathtaking view that you'll never forget. Shopping on the Strip is an adventure in itself. Luxury stores and unique boutiques offer a chance for some retail therapy. Late-night snacks are a must, with street food vendors offering delicious bites to keep you fueled for the night. Art installations and public displays add a touch of creativity to the night. These pieces are not just decorations, but expressions of the city's soul. Live theater and performances are a staple of the Strip. From magic shows to musical acts, there's always something to entertain. Romantic moments are everywhere, with couples finding special places to share a kiss or a quiet conversation. Street vendors offer unique souvenirs, perfect for remembering your night on the Strip. The skyline is a sight to behold, the cityscape a testament to the grandeur of Las Vegas. Fireworks light up the night sky, a celebration of the city's vibrant spirit. Hidden gems and secret spots await those who venture off the beaten path. These places offer a different perspective, a quieter side of the Strip. Nighttime adventures are endless, with every turn offering a new discovery. The Strip is a place of endless possibilities. As the night comes to an end, the memories of your journey down the Las Vegas Strip will stay with you. You will not forget the heartbeat of the night and the magic of the city. Thanks for watching my video. Stay tuned for more.